و به رژیم صهیونیستی هشدار میدم تردید نکنید در این جنایت و جنایت هایی که مرتکب شدید هزینه ای خواهید داد که سخت پشیمان کننده خواهد بود. طوفان الاقصی ادامه دارد و پایان طوفان الاقصی پایان رژیم صهیونیستی خواهد بود.
به سمت جنگلا.
Afternoon, everybody. As Karine said, it's been a little bit of a while here since we've had a chance to talk, so we have no indication at this time at all that Israel was involved in any way whatsoever.
No indication, but just to be clear, you don't think, did they support or assist in some other way?
I'm not going to speak for another nation. I would just tell you that we have no indication that Israel was in any way involved in this.
And given that this was the Soleimani anniversary, did you have any intelligence that something was being planned for this day?
We certainly had no indications that there would be some sort of violence surrounding the anniversary of his death.
Let's see the band back together. Good afternoon, everyone. The Secretary General strongly condemns the attack today on a memorial ceremony in Kerman City in the Islamic Republic of Iran, which reportedly killed more than 100 people and injured many more. The Secretary General calls for those responsible to be held accountable. And the Secretary General expresses his deep condolences to the bereaved families and the people and the government of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and he wishes the injured a speedy recovery.